These are the top 5 most terrifying tornado phenomena in the world. I bet you've never seen the last one. Comment which you think is the scariest. But first, you'll have amazing luck if you like and subscribe to my channel until the end of this video. Lightning tornado. This is really scary. Next is snake tornado. I need to go on at length. Next is destructive tornado. Look at that. It's actually tearing down the house. Next is massive tornado. This huge tornado is so frightening. Next is lava tornado.